Hi everyone, it is Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your heteronym lesson. Heteronyms are words that are spelled the same, but they are pronounced differently and have different meanings. We have two words today. We have convert, which is a noun meaning a person whose belief has changed, and convert, a verb meaning to change one's beliefs. A general rule of thumb with heteronyms is stress syllable number 1 in nouns and adjectives and syllable number 2 in verbs. This holds true in this set of words. So to say the noun, the convert, we're going to stress the con, make a wide open mouth for that really say that vowel. For convert, we are going to unstress syllable 1, and so we are going to use a relaxed, short, quick Let's give those both a try. Convert, convert, convert. Convert, convert, convert. Convert, convert. Convert, convert. Convert, convert, convert. Convert, convert, convert. And now for a sentence. The salesman will set a goal to convert free accounts to paid. He is a convert and wants others to join him. Give it a try. I know people will notice the difference. Thanks everyone. Having an amazing weekend.